Good day, everyone. How are you doing today? I think everyone who is seeing this video knows that decentralized finance is a financial protocol that allows you to maximize your profit on the cryptocurrency market. The decentralized finance platform provides various features and solutions that users can use to increase their return on investment, such as staking or yield farming. But have you ever thought that you can invest and get profit, but at the same time you donate to people in need? This can all be achieved with Hope Token, a deflationary crypto token with exponential price growth benefits for holders and charities. By investing in Hope tokens, users can maximize their profit and at the same time they can contribute to the charity program which Hope Token plans to organize every month. Hope token is a token that has a deflationary mechanism, meaning that tokens will be removed from the market within a certain period using various methods. However, in Hope tokens, they use the buyback method where every month with 20% of the donation amount will buy back tokens to keep Hope token prices going up and produce a safe and healthy ecosystem. Hope was launched based on Binance BEP20 with initial total supply of 1 billion tokens. By owning Hope, holders can get various benefits such as profit, can participate in charity programs and others. User can get Hope tokens through PancakeSwap or other supported exchanges. Let's talk about the tokenomics of Hope token. Hope applies an 8% tax fee that will be subtracted from every transaction. From this 8%, 3.5% is allocated to monthly donation made to organizations chosen by their holders, and 1.5% is allocated to a cumulative disaster relief fund that will be released in case of an emergency event. From the remaining 3% of the 8%, 1% is allocated to marketing and operation expenses, 1% is allocated to the 6 owners and every member of the organization, and remaining 1% will be burned. Hope has an awesome system that benefits their holders and the charities alike. For example, Hope will use a frictional amount of monthly donation of 100k. The charity selected for any given month will receive 80% of the donation in one installment. That means if the monthly donation is 100k, they will get 80k, but the remaining 20%, 20k as per the example, will be re-injected into Hope and given to the charity over the following 36 months. The example I give to you, this would mean that the charity will receive 80k at once and then get the installment of $555.55 every month, and it will continue to next 36 months. So, what are you holding out for? The opportunity is here in front of you. Grab it and become a part of this incredible innovative. Thank you all.